Hey everybody, a little bonus video for you. This is that heater core that came out of that van, and I wanted to show you why I changed it. I didn't change it because it was leaking. I changed it because the guy had no heat. So on this heater core here, the inlet runs in here, and then it has 10 tubes that run down to the bottom, then it goes over, and then 10 tubes back out. So this is the inlet here, this is the outlet here, and I'll show you why I changed it. Is if you look inside there, you can see that it is all clogged up. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is the outlet side. See how clean the tubes are? So right there, that is why I changed his heater core, is because the guy was not getting any heat and the heater core is all clogged up. This is actually an aftermarket heater core. This core isn't quite as thick as the original, but there was something that, in the cooling system, that caused this heater core to clog up. I've already replaced the radiator in this and the water pump and flushed it out real good, so he probably won't have another problem with it again. But there's your bonus footage. That's why I changed his heater core in this van.